When the power goes out, staying warm can become a life-threatening challenge, especially in cold weather. In this video, we'll cover easy DIY emergency heating options that'll help you stay warm without electricity. First, consider a simple terracotta pot heater. All you need are a few tea candles, a terracotta pot, and a metal base. This setup can radiate heat effectively in a small space and is easy to make with common items. Don't forget to insulate your space. Use blankets, plastic sheeting, or bubble wrap to cover windows and keep heat from escaping. Insulating your home can help maintain warmth longer. Another reliable option is a portable propane heater. Make sure it's designed for indoor use and always provide adequate ventilation to avoid carbon monoxide buildup. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of layering clothing and using thermal blankets. Retaining body heat is essential when your main heat source is gone. By preparing with these DIY heating solutions, you'll be ready to stay warm during any emergency. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below this video for helpful links.